The zinghoppers.
Hi, friends. It's Jack from the Zinghoppers, and I am so jazzed for today's story time. I have been waiting to read you this book. I know you're going to love it. It's called How My Garden Grew. See that person? They're using a watering can, watering the garden. This is such a fun book. Have you ever done any gardening before? Oh, my wife Kitty and I, we had a vegetable garden. And we grew lettuce, tomatoes, carrots, really crunchy orange carrots. We even grew cucumbers. They tasted so good. Tasted like summer. There's nothing like tasting a ripe red tomato as it's hot in the sun. You pick it off your garden and wash it and put it in your mouth, and it tastes so good. I hope you get to try gardening sometime if you haven't. And if you have gardened before, well, I hope you keep it up because it is so much fun to get to grow things out of the ground. Can you imagine that? Think of how amazing it is to have dirt and have dirt that just magically things appear. Well, there's more to it than that, but it feels like magic to me. Every time I try gardening, it always feels like magic. I get so excited. Just a seed, a little tiny seed, and you put it in dirt, and you add water, and then you have a salad. That's crazy. I don't understand it, but hopefully after reading this book, we'll both learn a little bit more about it. This is written by Anne and Harlow Rockwell. And again, it's called How My Garden Grew. So I hope you like today's story. We'll read it together. I'll put the pictures up. You can follow along. If you have this book and you want to read along, that'd be great. Anne and Harlow, they did a great job with this book. These are the seeds I planted in my garden. This is the brown earth where my seeds grew. I dug up the earth with a spade, a hoe, and a rake. I planted my seeds like this. I watered my seeds with this watering can. My seeds sprouted and grew. A toad, many ladybugs, and a praying mantis lived together in my garden. They ate the insects that chewed the new green leaves in my garden. I liked them. I fertilized my garden with fish fertilizer. It smelled awful, but it made my garden grow. I pulled up the weeds that grew in my garden. Sun shone on my garden. Rain rained on it. Bees buzzed on it. I watched my garden grow. I picked radishes and lettuce from my garden in the spring. I picked beans and bright marigolds in the summer. My pumpkins turned big and orange when Halloween came. When the sunflower blossoms grew old and droopy, I shook out the seeds and saved them for the winter birds. Winter came. The leftover stalks in my garden withered and froze. Snow covered them, and the toad slept deep under the earth. Now, spring has come again, and I am planting a new garden. Isn't that a great story? I just love that. I love thinking about the seasons. Do you ever think about the seasons? That's kind of what this book is sort of about. I mean, it's about a garden, but it's also about seasons. Like in the springtime, when you plant, and then in the summer, when you grow things, and maybe you start to eat some of the things like lettuce, and then in the fall, when you pick more of the things you've planted, pumpkins, maybe you can carve a pumpkin for Halloween. And then over the winter time, things kind of frost and they get dried out. And then the next year, you do it all over again. That's the neat thing about seasons. They're always changing, but they're always constant. That means they're always going to happen. And that's comforting. It's nice to know that every time it's spring, right afterwards, it'll be summer. And then right after summer, it'll be fall or autumn. Some people say autumn. And then after autumn or fall, it'll be winter. And then after winter, guess what? Spring again. I love that. It's really comforting how seasons always happen around and around. They always will. It's kind of like gardening when you think about it. There's always going to be dirt, and there will always be seeds. And when you put those seeds in the ground and you give them water, and you're patient and you wait, well, guess what? That's right. A plant will grow. That's so amazing. I want to thank you so much for reading with me and talking with me today. I love getting to spend time with you. I hope you had a great time reading our book, How My Garden Grew. I'll see you again tomorrow with a brand new story. Post stories every single day here, so I appreciate spending time with you every day. I'll see you again real soon. Have a great rest of the day.
The Zinghoppers.